Welcome back to my kitchen. I just want to say a massive thank you for like and share, subscribe, and leave me all those uplifting comments. I really appreciate it. Today I am just going to make a simple grape juice and I'm about to start. I'm just washing my grapes. I'm making red grape juice. Straight in my blender. And I'm just using few little pieces of ginger. I love my ginger. The ginger give it a little kicks and I like that taste. It's also good for indigestion. I'm also going to use half of lemon. Lemon juice is very good. And I'm going to squeeze that straight into my blender. I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon of honey. You don't need a lot of honey because the grape is already sweet. So that honey is quite okay. That honey is just to give it a finishing touch, and honey is very good for your health. And this juice is natural, healthy grape juice. I'm just going to add enough water to cover my grapes. Don't need a lot of water because we do not want to kill the flavor. When you're drinking this juice, you're supposed to get a really nice refreshing taste from this juice. So I'm just using a little bit of water, just enough to cover my grapes. I'm just covering my blender. I'm going to switch my blender on from the main, and I'm going to switch it on now. Because like I said, my blender is very powerful, so when I'm using this blender I don't have to blend my fruits for long. I'm just gonna remove it there, and I'm just gonna just look really good. And I'm just going to strain my grape juice. Give it a good strain. It's all looking good. Natural, healthy, delicious grape juice. Made at home in my own kitchen. I really enjoy making this juice, and all those lovely comments and feedback what I'm getting from my beautiful people. This encouraged me to work even harder to keep you all looking good and living a healthy lifestyle. Look at me, my skin said it all. Got beautiful skin, and my skin tone speak for itself. Just gonna give my juice a second strain to make sure all the bits are out of my juice. Wow, all the bits are out. I am going to pour my grape juice over ice, and I'm gonna have a little taste. Then I'll tell you guys what I think about my natural juice. Wow, that is looking really good. Really good. So I'm about to have a taste, and then I'll tell you guys what I think about my juice. Wow. This juice is absolutely delicious. Wow. Oh my word. I can taste all the flavor from the grape. The lemon, the honey is all combined together, and it is really delicious and refreshing. Guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your juice. I'm out. See you in my next video. Bye.